Let's study about the definition of a parabola first. A parabola is the locus of a point which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point called the focus is equal to its distance from a fixed straight line called the directrix. Equation of directrix is taken as x plus a is equal to 0. Today we shall study one of the important topics of intermediate mathematics, second year. Let's derive the equation of parabola in standard form. First we shall draw a parabola. Its axis taken as x-axis and y-axis as y dash. Their point of intersection we can take as the vertex A, capital A, comma 0, 0. Let S A, comma 0 be the focus of the parabola and draw a directrix L parallel to y-axis such that it intersects on x-axis at Z. S. See, the Z is the projection of S on the directrix L of the parabola. X plus A is equal to 0 is the directrix. Let P x comma y be a point on parabola. Then we know that SP by PM, the perpendicular distance PM on the directrix L, they bear a simple ratio equal to 1 because the eccentricity of the parabola is equal to 1. And we know that SA is equal to A and AZ is equal to also A because Z is the projection of S on directrix L. Now we know that SP by PM is equal to 1. Now let's find out the distance SP. By distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Take xy as x2 by 2 and focus S as x1 by 1. Substitute x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square means x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is the distance SP. Now take PM. From P x comma y, if you draw a perpendicular on directrix, PM can be taken as, the distance PM can be taken as mod x plus A by square root of 1 square plus 0 square because coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of y is 0. Therefore, we take root 1 square plus 0 square. Now squaring both sides, you will get cancel the square root and you will get x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to x plus a whole square. Now what we shall do is keep y square to left hand side and bring all terms to remaining terms to right hand side and it becomes x plus a whole square. Now x minus a whole square we take to right hand side, it becomes x minus a whole square. Now you know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Hence the answer here finally we are getting as 4ax. Okay, this is the standard equation of parabola.